Hey everyone, and welcome back to AI Unfiltered. Well, before starting today's video, I have something really cool to share with you that ties the power of AI. And this project is from right here at our university. My friend has been working on an awesome new chatbot called Talk to DAU. This bot is designed specifically for students, whether you are thinking of joining our college and have a ton of questions about cutoffs, projects, faculties, or placements, or you are already here and just get lost in all the confusion. We know firsthand how tricky it can be to figure things out and who to even ask. So now you know, just talk to DAU. Now, it's still very much a work in progress, and it's an entirely independent production. The institution has no role in this, so it might not be 100% correct all the time, but it's super helpful already. You can actually check out the GitHub link in the description to see the project for yourself. Alright, with that exciting development out of the way, let's jump into today's main topic. In our last video, we talked about few really intense theoretical topics like neural networks, language models, and transformer models. Well, after all of that really hard theoretical stuff, I was a bit lost. I had all this knowledge of how AI works, but then that crucial question came up. Okay, so what now? Where do I start building from? And I just felt like I was back on the lost path which I talked about earlier. So I did exactly what any good learner would do in such a situation. That is, call a friend. And he instantly told me that Vedant, before you try to build the next big thing in AI, just make sure you solidify your foundations by learning the Python libraries. And so we caught our topic. And that's where we start connecting theory to practice. So I kicked off with NumPy. This library acts as a backbone of numerical computation in Python, and it is used more in machine learning. I got my hands dirty learning how to create multidimensional arrays. That is, think of it as superpowered list, which can do complex mathematical computations easily, like really fast. Understand the shape, which is crucial for knowing how your data is structured. Perform lightning fast calculations, like from simple additions to complex matrix multiplications, which are the core of neural networks. And its applications are everywhere, from backend calculations in machine learning algorithms to plotting data. Which brings me to my next learning tool, that is Matplotlib. Learning how to visualize data is as important as knowing how to crunch the numbers. I learned the basics of plotting the various graphs like line graph, bar graph, and even learned how to build a pie chart. Also, labeling everything very clearly, making sure your visualizations tell a story. Controlling colors and styles because good data visuals should also look good. And finally, to make sense of the real world datasets, I delved deep into the world of pandas, which was the third library which I explored. I learned how to read from different files like CSV files, Excel files, getting that raw data into a usable format. I also handled some data cleaning and manipulation tasks like selecting columns, filtering rows, and handling missing values. Well, it's like a spreadsheet on steroids, but it's programmable. Now, after all of this, I wanted to actually code, and I asked Gemini, the AI itself, to suggest me what should I do next. And guess what? It told me that I should be building the projects which I talked about in our episode 3. That is the Unbeatable Tic-Tac-Toe using the Minimax algorithm and the maze solver using the A-star search. And so I made both of these with the help of YouTube videos and the chatbots itself. And I've uploaded it on my GitHub account. The link to both of them is provided in the description below. So make sure you check it out. So that was it from episode 5. From feeling a little bit lost after diving into complex theoretical topics to getting grounded with fundamental Python libraries and finally bringing some of the AI algorithms into life through game implementations. It's a journey of continuous learning and sometimes needing a little guidance from friends or even AI itself. That was it from my side. It is Vedant signing off from AI Unfiltered.